need to connect our table aprons to our legs. So we're using this hidden fastener. It's new to us. It's from KNAPP connectors. So we're using their duo system. It's two identical pieces. One recesses into the end grain of your apron. The other surface mounts on your post. And they just simply lock together, pop them together, and they're locked together. And they self-tighten, so as you knock them down, it gets tighter. We'll dive right in and start cutting our mortises. Duo system from KNAPP connectors. First time using them, but I definitely think we'll be using them again.